I'm hearing this is the love of a lifetime. I don't know if you recently met someone or if you're about to meet your specific person. I'm hearing you did it. Something happened. Something you did recently just changed the course of your life. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. It is something absolutely angelic. It is something very divine that has the power to overcome any fear, not allowing 111 on my phone, the enemy, to penetrate your system. It's like there is an energetic field. Yeah, that's the truth. There is an energetic field around you, like a golden bubble that is protecting you. And this is allowing you to rephrase, I'm hearing, remodel your existence itself. It is protected. It is the most powerful tool you ever known. It's because you refused what the Matrix was telling you. You had enough courage to say no, and that was the most creative power you ever encountered. I'm hearing this is pure magic. You literally just discovered how powerful you actually are, and I'm hearing where since the beginning it's like you always been like that, but it was hidden because for some reason you were just not ready to meet yourself before. And that's divine timing. This new year that we're entering very soon is bringing so much opportunities, and it's as if the divine God, Goddess, all that is, was hiding you for you to receiving at the best time, like the most mature time. I keep receiving this divine grace kind of energy. It's as if God just stopped any form of karma you had, if you had some. It is just the next level. It is just, this energy is everything. I just ended energy healing before starting this video, and it was about a heart transplantation, an energetic heart transplantation. So the person was receiving basically a new heart. The one was removed out of his system, and it was a full heart chakra healing, and it was connected to the Earth Star chakra. And I'm very guided today to help you declutter and disintegrate any energy that do not belongs to you from this chakra, for you to receive even more your blessing, because this is a season of receiving your blessings, and I want to be able to open all the doors for you. I love you so much. You deserve the ultimate best. You deserve to meet true self. You deserve to meet who you truly are. This is not going to talk to everyone need a energetic heart transplantation, obviously, but I trust that God is going to bring the right person at the right time, catching this content. Allowing your heart to receive the love, allowing yourself to manifest from a heart place, knowing that you're so loved by the divine. It could be someone that had a rejection wound, abandonment wound, humiliation wound, feeling abandoned by the Most High, left out in the cold. Rebalancing your heart space. Yeah, I'm feeling so much balance. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. It's as if I'm seeing the temperance card on my mind's eye. Everything is coming to balance after a period of chaos. Allowing you to anchoring and grounding you down to the center of Mother Gaia's heart space for you to receive all of your blessings. You have no idea yet how the divine is working behind the scene for you to bring you all of these miracles. So it's going to happen 144 on the screen. It's going to happen suddenly in miraculous, mysterious way for you, just because you trusted the process, just because you're so loyal to the Most High, just because you never gave up on yourself. In the darkest moment, you kept trusting, and that's what makes champion. That's the difference between the chosen and the rest of the world. You are here to bring the light into darkness, bringing balance. Araya kotara umase yata 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 kayamai yataya reharmonization, recalibration. Oh my God, this new year is everything. This is everything. You will never be able to feel this kind of same energy, confirmation on my phone, but you never experienced that. In that incarnation, you never experienced that. If you want to dig deeper, if you want to work fully on your fears, on your traumas, on your trapped emotion, removing everything, you should do it before this new year. Coming in, this fire auras. You can access a very special masterclass on my website. It is life-changing for you to benefit the most out of this life existence. I have been gifted also with God's code, source code, for you to align with your true authentic self. You deserve the best. You are a gem. You're a gift to this universe. Until next time, namaste.